Global markets enjoyed a pretty good September with the global equity benchmark index returning around about 2.3% for the month. That was despite two hurricanes hitting the United States and also talk of high US interest rates from the US Federal Reserve. So why did markets rise? Essentially, global data has continued to be quite positive in a number of countries, and we're seeing corporate earnings continuing to rise as well, which is underpinning equity markets. In terms of the Australian market, unfortunately the story was not as good. The market returned a pretty much flat result. One negative was a big decline in iron ore prices in the month due to fears that China will be cutting back on steel production arising from growing pollution concerns in the country. So that in turn hurt resource stocks. In terms of the global outlook, the two key global developments on the agenda at the moment are prospects of high US interest rates, with the Federal Reserve more or less promising to raise rates again in December and looking to raise rates several more times next year, and also the ongoing talk of tax cuts from US President Donald Trump. So that basically suggests bond yields will start rising from here, and also the weakness in the US dollar that we've seen in recent months will start to unwind. So in a sense, the Trump trades are back in vogue. In terms of trade ideas, that does favour looking to buy the US dollar through some currency ETFs. I think global banks will also be favoured as bond yields rise. You can get exposure to that through the BetaShares Global Banks ETF BNKS. Global growth being good still favours the Nasdaq index, ETF there being NDQ. And also just lastly, that the rising US dollar does favour outperformance coming through in terms of Japanese and European stocks, the ETFs there being HJPN and HEUR. Hi, I'm Bassanese, Chief Economist at BetaShares, and this has been my global market outlook for the month of October. If you'd like to see the full report, just go to the Insights section of our website and you can download it. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you again next month.